Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken fry recipe in less than 10 minutes. It is one of the easiest recipe which has just 2 steps to follow. Step 1. Cut the chicken into small cubes. Step 2. Add all the spices to the chicken and fry them. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken which is rinsed in water and cut into small cubes. Add 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder and salt as required. In a large pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 500 grams of boneless chicken which is clean and rinsed twice in water and are cut into small cubes. Since we have used boneless chicken which were cut into small pieces, it won't take much time to cook. Add all the spices one by one. First, add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder and fry in a medium flame. Adding turmeric powder to chicken brings down the raw chicken smell and it has anti-inflammatory properties which is good for health. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder which enhance the color even more. Add 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1/2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. The ratio of the ginger and the garlic should be 1:1 for preparing the paste. Add 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add salt as required. I have added 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Mix and fry them on high flame for 5 minutes till chicken changes color, and since we have used Kashmiri chili powder, it enhances the color. We have measured all the spices in tablespoon. 1 tablespoon will be around 14 to 15 grams. So if I want to measure in grams, I have added 14 grams of Kashmiri chili powder, 7 grams of ginger garlic paste and 7 grams of garam masala powder, 4 grams of pepper powder. Give it a gentle mix and make sure the masala has coated the chicken evenly. Now cook chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes. Spicy chicken fry is ready to serve. For more recipes, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet and share this video to your friends. That's for the day, and I will see you in the next video.